Hi, this is Flo. Now, I had a problem just recently where I went to cut my stickers and I had drawn on my paper and I had put it into the machine to cut and it cut right through to the backing. I noticed someone else had this problem and I told them to make a custom setting, and what they had answered me was, how do you make a custom setting? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a custom setting. Now, I've got some custom settings in my machine, but what I did originally is, because I was doing stickers, I changed this and I was going to draw on the stickers, so I'm going to put some text in there. Now, because my text here is a lot bigger, I'm going to change it up here to one that is a little bit more realistic. And you can either click down like this or you can put it in with whatever you want. I'm just going to select there simply because I don't want to change the text, I just want to print it. Now, because I want to draw this text, I'm going to go up from regular down to writing. So that's now going to give me a writing text. Got it in there. Now, what I did with my stickers is I put it in there, I go to align and I go align center, and that way it puts the text in the center. It's not going to give me the right one because it's not in there. However, there is a sticker paper in there, but if you go to the smart sticker paper that's Cricut, it's a lot thicker. Mine is very thin, very much like paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and it says Manage Custom Materials. Now, if I go to Manage Custom Materials, it'll say Select Device. Now, I've got to make sure that my device is on, which is the Maker 3, and it is 296 something or other, 4. And it will then try and attach itself to the machine. There you go, select custom device. There we go. Now we've just got to make sure that they talk to each other. And it's very helpful when they do. And there you go. Turn the machine off and back on again, and it talks to me. Right, now these are all the custom materials that are in there for the Maker 3. Now it'll tell you that this is the Maker 3 and it's on Bluetooth. Now, it's very, very interesting that if I've got the Maker 3 and it's this number, and I put my other Maker 3 on, then it will have a different number, and there will be different things that come up on it. Because I've set a custom setting in this one, it won't necessarily come up on my other one, because this is specific to the machine I'm using. So be aware of that. So if you're using more than one machine, or if you're using an Explore machine and a Maker machine, you will have different custom materials in there. So I scrolled down, but I could just see whether I could find it. No, it's not going to let me search. So these are the custom materials. Now I've got, what am I looking for? I'm looking for sticker paper, which will probably be an S. And as we've got so many papers to go through, usually I just search sticker, but it's not going to. M-M-O, this is where you need to know your alphabet, isn't it? M-P. Printable. Shimmer paper. Aha, we're in the SQs now. Now we've got smart vinyl, smart stencil, smart vinyl, stencil film, stencil sticky note, sticker paper. Now this is sticker paper removable. It's got a, oh that's interesting, it's got a pressure of 106. However, when I first searched it, I was looking for sticker paper and I went to sticker paper and what I got was that it was on 300. So what I'm going to show you how to do is that you can either tweak one that's already there, or you can do a whole new one yourself. Now, what I did was I did one that I called My Sticker Paper, and as you can see, you can go edit these at the side, but if we come right the way down to the bottom, you can go add new material. Now, the new material allows you to make a name, and I'm going to put clear sticker paper. Clear sticker paper. Now, once I've got that done, I'm going to go save, and because it's on clear sticker paper, it should have come up there. There you go. It's put it in alphabetical order, so that's really good, so if you can remember it. And it's given me a 175. Now, if I think that's too high, I can take it back down to about 150. All right, 150. And then I can go save. Now, if I wanted to go right through, it obviously says there's no point in putting it down here. So I've actually put it at 150, and I can then go save, and it's saved into my custom materials. Now, I'm just going to go out of that now. Now, because I've got it saved in here, I'm now going to go make it. And we can all do this. So then it's going to cut on my mat. I've got it set as a 12 by 12. However, most of the sticker papers are either an A4 or letter. So if I just put that into A4, it'll just take the side off there. And if I had a number of them, it would just put them one after the other like that instead of going all the way across the page. You can do this manually, of course, or you can just do it in here. Now I'm going to go continue. We've got to do this. There, finally. It does come up in the end. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. I think my room might be a little bit cold, so that doesn't help. Now, I've actually got my clear sticker paper in there, but this time I listed it as clear sticker paper. So I'm going to go browse all materials, and I'll come down to, that's the artboard. This is cardstock, and I'll look and see if it's in cardstock. Fabric, it's not fabric. I think if we go all the way down, felt, foam, foil, nylon, leather, my materials. So under my materials, I've got clear sticker paper. And all I've got to do then is select the clear sticker paper and go done. And providing I haven't got more than 12 in there, oh, here we go. It actually jumped in. So I've got my sticker paper, my clear sticker paper, which I did the other day, but I've just added another one that's here. And if you go through all this and do it really quick, that's fine. At the moment, it's just taken me a little bit longer because it might be a little bit cold in my room, so the computer doesn't like being cold. Now, once I do that, I can select my clear sticker paper. It'll tell me to put in my pen that I selected, and it'll tell me to load the fine point blade. Now, because both of those can go in at the same time, I can put both those in at the same time, and it will have the load me button on the screen, and that's great. I can't show you it finished because I have used all my stickers, but that one will cut the top of my clear sticker paper, and hopefully I will be able to bring you a photo. I think I've already got a photo in there of it, so it might be helpful. Thank you for watching.